Dear Grade 4 students, welcome to this lesson. The purpose of this lesson is to cover Unit 8, Lesson number 6, Writing. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recall Unit 8 vocabulary, to extract information from a text, and to write a paragraph about a town in the past and now. Now, let's check the spelling of the words that you have written when you were playing. Helicopter, bus, ship, taxi, train, tram, motorbike. Let's play another game. Choose the correct answer for the following question. You have 5 questions. You will count how many answers you get correctly. Question number 1. What is your name? You have 10 seconds to answer the question. Now, check your answer. Question number 2. Where do you live? You have 10 seconds to answer the question. Now, check your answer. Question number 3. What was there in your town 50 years ago? You have 10 seconds to answer the question. Now, check your answer. Question number 4. What wasn't there in your town 50 years ago? You have 10 seconds to answer the question. Now, check your answer. Question number 5. What is there in your town now? You have 10 seconds to answer the question. Now, check your answer. Well done, grade 4 students. You have finished answering 5 questions. Now, you can count how many answers you got correctly. So far, we reviewed Unit 8 vocabulary and we answered some questions that will help us later on. Now, we are moving to our second objective, to extract information from a text. What you have to do here is to read the following paragraph and answer the questions. You can pause the video and read the paragraph by your own. Or you can listen to the teacher while reading the paragraph. Hello, my name is Hassan. I live in Kuwait. My father said that 30 years ago there was a big museum next to our house. There were lots of small cars and bikes. There wasn't a shopping mall. There weren't any motorbikes or planes. Now, my town is modern. There is a small theater next to the local park. I hope that we have a train in the future so we can go everywhere easily. Now you can read the questions and answer them. Question number 1. What is the boy's name? Question number 2. Where does he live now? Question number 3. What was there in his town 30 years ago? Question number 4. What wasn't there in his town 30 years ago? Question number 5. What is there in his town now? Question number 6. What isn't there in his town now? You can pause the video and answer the questions. Now you can check your answers. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 3. Question number 4. Question number 5. And question number 6. Well done! You have finished reading the paragraph and answering the questions. Now you can check how many answers you got correctly. You are ready to write your paragraph now. Write about your town in the past and now. In your paragraph, answer the following questions. What is your name? Where do you live now? What was there in your town? What wasn't there in your town? What is there in your town now? What isn't there in your town now? Don't forget to use the writing checklist after you finish writing. Check if you use the capital letters at the beginning of the sentences, the use of finger space between words, the use of full stop at the end of the sentences, your spelling, and your use of correct tense. If you have finished writing your own paragraph, you can read this paragraph as an example. Your answer might be different, but this is an example. Hello, my name is Fatima. I live in Bahrain. My mom said that 30 years ago there was a theater in front of our house. There were some cars. There wasn't a big park. There weren't any trains or planes. Now my town is nice. There are lots of shopping malls. There is a museum and a big library. I hope that we have a tram in the future. This is the end of the lesson. I hope you find it useful and helpful. Thank you so much.